Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginataang yellow pin. Okay, yellow pin. And then we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, shrimp cubes, since it's seafood, and then water, coconut milk, onions, garlic, spring onions, ginger, chilies, tomatoes, and then the fish, the yellow pin fish. I marinated with black pepper, salt, and I dredge in the flour. Ipritohan sa nina to ang fish, ha? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna put it all, guys, so that it's only one time. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna prito sa ito sa prito ng isda. Okay, guys, look at the fish are cooked already. Okay, so we're gonna transfer this one to another pot. Spices like the onions, garlic, onions, spring onions, ginger, chilies, and tomatoes. Okay. Little soy sauce. Just a little. And the cubes. Salt, a little water, just a little water, and we are going to wait until it boils, okay, before we add the fish. Okay, guys, so we'll be right back. So the coconut milk is boiled, so we're gonna add the fish. Okay, guys, so that's it, guys. We're gonna flip it over. Okay, guys, so simmer for how many minutes? Maybe 2 minutes, so that the fish will absorb. Cover this one. We're gonna cover this one first. Okay. Ginataang yellow pin is done. Okay. It's super yummy, guys. Look at that one. Yellow pin. It's yummy. Okay, guys. So I'm going to taste. I'm gonna get just a little fish. It's yummy. Okay, guys, so that's our ginataang yellow pin. It's yummy. And then see you tomorrow for another recipe. Thank you for watching.